Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to duplicate virtual bread in Sneaky Sasquatch using an updated 2025 method. This glitch is incredibly useful for quickly gaining wealth and skipping some of the game's more tedious grinding. It's surprisingly simple to execute once you know the steps. This specific exploit works reliably across all current versions of the game, including those on Apple Arcade and Nintendo Switch. You can easily multiply your bread stock in just a few moments, saving you significant time in your playthrough. First, you'll need to make sure you have at least one loaf of virtual bread already in your inventory. This is the base for our duplication. Also, confirm you have an empty slot available for the new bread to appear. Once you're prepared, head straight to the campground area in the game. Specifically, you need to locate the Bear's Cave, which is typically found towards the northern part of the campground map. This particular location is key to triggering the glitch successfully and reliably every time. Upon entering the Bear's Cave, quickly open your inventory. Select the bread you wish to duplicate and then drop it directly onto the ground. Make sure the bread lands right in front of the bear's character model. It's critical that you do not close your inventory menu immediately after dropping the bread. Keep the menu open for a brief moment, ensuring the game registers the item's placement. The precise timing of this drop is crucial for the upcoming steps to work correctly. Now, with the bread on the ground and your inventory still open, you need to rapidly toggle your inventory menu. This means quickly pressing the button to close it, then immediately pressing it again to reopen it. You should observe your bread count in your inventory briefly flash or even increase by a small amount each time you toggle. Repeat this rapid opening and closing action approximately 5 to 7 times. This sequence helps confuse the game's item tracking system effectively. Once you've performed the rapid inventory toggling, simply exit the Bear's Cave. Immediately re-enter the cave to reload the area and finalize the glitch. You will then notice several new loaves of bread lying on the ground where you initially dropped the single loaf. Collect all your newly duplicated bread and enjoy your expanded stash. You can repeat this entire process as many times as you like to amass an unlimited supply of virtual bread. Happy foraging!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.